Hi, this is Michael, and this is my review of the Roolen Breath. It's a ultrasonic humidifier, and I just wanted to show you the box because to me it's significant when the packaging is also as unique and simplistically designed as the product itself. This box is just really nicely designed. I don't want to say it's Apple-esque because a lot of people can make cool packaging other than Apple. But basically everything you need to know is right here in infographics right on the box. And then when you open the box, here's the user guide. The inside has a little cardboard handle which then lets you pull the unit right out of the box. And I just think that's very clever, and it's a very nice design aesthetic. And then the humidifier just comes out of here like this, and it's protected by this little foam wrapping. And here is the humidifier itself. It's very lightweight. And then in the bottom of the box is the power adapter. And this is your typical wall wart AC power adapter. And one nice thing about this is that the plugs go this way, so when you're plugged into the wall, it's not going to block the outlet above it or below it. And then you've got about a 58-inch power cord on here. This is the mist vent, and the mist will be coming out of the top here like this. Now on the back is the button. You push the button in to remove this mist vent, which is also the reservoir for the water. Now the water is, you have to unscrew this cap here in order to fill the reservoir. The reservoir holds about 0.82 gallons, so just under a gallon of water will fit in here. Now I did have some dripping when I filled this up, and it was because I hadn't sufficiently tightened the cap. I really had to tighten this down a lot so that it wasn't dripping when I started to tip it upside down. I'm a little concerned about that. My other initial concern here too is looking at this seal that goes around the reservoir here. I don't believe this reservoir is an insert that is merely sealed into place. It seems to me that the reservoir is the air vent here, and that this is just basically the top or the bottom glued in. I'm not positive about that, but I am a little concerned about the glue line around here. It's kind of rough, and I would have liked to have seen a better quality seal there. Now this is the base unit, and once you tip this upside down and put it back onto the base unit, this is where the water comes out and then goes into, there's a very low powered fan in here, and this is the fan vent right here, and this is what's going to propel the mist up through the vent here. So I'll put this on top. It does click into place. You can hear it click. And then here's the DC input. So I will plug it in. And then this is the power button, and this will cycle through the various settings that the humidifier has. So once you plug it in, it goes automatically into standby operation. And then the next press of the button puts it into low operation, and almost immediately you see the mist coming out of the vent. Another press puts it into high mode, just increases the output. One more press puts it into auto mode, and when it's in auto mode, it's just going to automatically try to maintain a humidity level of 40 to 55% in your room. Another press puts it back into standby. So it's important to realize this is not steam, this is mist, so it's cool, and it's not going to burn you or your children. Now there is a very faint sound of a motor, and I'm just going to try to move my camcorder next to it to see if you can hear it. It's very, very quiet. So you may be able to hear that, perhaps not. But it's a very soft sound, and I don't think it would bother most people. The only other sound it makes is every once in a while you get a kind of a little gurgle sound as water drains from the reservoir into the water basin. So that does happen periodically through the night as this unit is operating. There's one thing that I would also like to see, which I don't observe here at all, and that is a water level indicator. Now I know this is a nice clean aesthetic here, but I don't see any reason why there couldn't be a clear sort of a strip here that would let you see how much water is left in the unit. So right now you really have to sort of wing it. You just need to either figure it out by weight or give it a little wiggle to see how much water is sloshing around in there. It will operate quite a long time, probably at least 12 hours, and probably a good 24 hours if it's on low speed, and possibly even longer. It really does depend on the humidity level of your room. This is designed to be used in a room of up to about 400 square feet. So if you think that you can just get one of these and it's going to humidify your entire house, unless your house is 400 square feet, that won't be the case. You would need a couple of these. But it's really designed for a single room like a bedroom. So overall, I'm quite pleased with it. I do like the look of it. I like the fact that it's fairly compact and it's fairly quiet in operation. I do have the concerns about the cap dripping and the seal for the bottom of the reservoir, and also I would like to see a water indicator level. But putting all those issues aside, it seems to be quite a nicely designed, quiet operating, and effective humidifier. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I'll answer it if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching and have a great day.